Okay, I thought I'd do a movie demonstration. Hold on for a minute. This demonstration is being done in 235.1. So I thought I'd do a movie trailer on here really quick so you guys can see exactly how amazing this screen looks in 235.1. Now this right here is our new Eclipse. This will be our TI-47 Slate 4K gold screen paint. Mind you, this was not supposed to be a part of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, but as in a way of saying thank you for basically supporting our company, we are going to be adding this in with the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale. So $100 will be removed off the 2 quarts, the 1 gallon and 2 gallons. We'll start, actually the sale starts tomorrow and it will end on the 3rd of December. Now this will also include free worldwide shipping. It will come with a 9x12 blackout cloth. Also too, it will come with free LED lights. And look how amazing this looks. Now, I'm going to pause it right here, and the reason why I'm going to pause it, if I can figure out what I did with my remote control to my, I got it on me. So my remote control to my projector. I want you to see this really quick. Now, the reason why I use the ViewSonic projectors, because these projectors do 235.1, which this demonstration is being done in for the projector, and also to the movie itself is doing 235.1 also. So basically we have everything in sync to do exactly what it's supposed to do. And that's one of the things I love about the ViewSonic projector. You can do 235.1, you can do 16:9, 16:10. This projection screen is a 168-inch 235.1 and also does 140-inch 16:9, which I'll do a demonstration later on. I have the Nintendo Switch right down below, and I'll be doing the Mario Kart in 16:9 at 140 inches. Does that look incredible? Now we're going to come over and we are going to do another demonstration. Let's go back and let's grab this one right here. Done this multiple times before. Just want to do it on this particular scale. Now mind you, the screen I had in my basement was 158 inches 235.1. This is 168 inch. Lights up. You can have our lights all the way up in the environment. The screen is using Smart Technology Game ×8. Bring our lights down. I love 235.1. I fell in love with it when I did the 158 inch, and then I put 105 inch upstairs in my gaming room, and man, I love it. My screen upstairs, because it's 4x8, does 235.1. Look how fantastic that looks. And you see there's still physical light hitting the screen. Even with them dim, there's still physical light hitting the screen right here and here. Bring my lights up. This is how powerful the gain is on this screen. This is using Smart Technology Game ×8. Like I said, this is our Eclipse TI-47 Slate 4K Gold. Look at that screen. These screens are 4K and 3D ready. Easy to paint. It looks absolutely incredible in your home. Look at this. Works with long throw and short throw projectors. Let's grab another one. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Itch Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. We are having Monday, tomorrow, we are going to be having a early bird Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. It'll be $100 off on all our screen paints. Keep in mind this will still include free shipping. The 9x12 blackout cloth and free LED light set will come with your screen paint kit. Free shipping is available worldwide. And the sale will start tomorrow and it will end on December the 3rd. Well, thank you all for watching. Just going to let this play just a little bit more. Beautiful, huh? Just gonna let it play through. I already signed off already, but just letting it play through so you guys enjoy, so you ladies and gentlemen can enjoy just a little bit more of this before I end the video. Yes, that's a real burning fireplace over there too. It's my fireplace. $720p. Uncalibrated, still in the factory default settings.